Welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment Channel, a number one channel for celebrity gist and gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when a story drops. Daddy Freeze reacts to video of a wife who confronted husband side chick. A video making the rounds online shows a woman confronting her husband's alleged side chick in a store. Freeze has now reacted to the video. Reacting to the video, OAP Daddy Freeze said the wife's pain is understandable, but said she should have directed her anger at her husband rather than attack another woman who made no vow to be committed to her. He added, "That woman attacking her husband's side chick happened because women see marriage as an achievement." He wrote, "Although I sympathize with the woman whose husband allegedly cheated, the pain of a woman cheated upon is deep. However, she should be guided. Hitting the alleged side chick is assault and battery, and the lady could sue her. Dear women, when I say marriage is not an achievement, you won't listen. If the woman didn't see marriage as an achievement, she would have directed her grievances through the court. A dissolution of marriage instead of this embarrassment would have done all the parties involved a lot of good." Also, it seems the husband had a sexual preference, leading to needs that the wife couldn't satisfy. If this were the case, how many side chicks does the wife want to beat in the supermarket? Remember, it wasn't the side chick that walked the aisle with you, it was your husband. Deal with him. So guys, what do you think about this? Drop your comments in the section below.